Since 2020, we've worked intentionally to virtualize the in-person experience for our audiences through engagement by design. This revolutionizes how people learn and connect, while improving how they participate. What you're watching isn't a pre-recorded training or another boring Zoom meeting. It's a live, interactive experience delivered with clarity. I want to give you a chance to choose your own assembly. Here's what this looks like. Pull out your device, and I want you to vote on the issues impacting you most. That's what we're going to talk about today. Like many of you, she was concerned about rumors. But here was the thing. She said the rumor about her had gone viral. Now, maybe you've never had a rumor go viral, but how many of you have had someone say something before that isn't true? Raise your hands. The audio and video quality that you're seeing right now is the same that you receive live. There's no echo and no excess noise. Plus, everyone gets a front row seat and a chance to participate without distracting others. Participants also hear real stories from people just like them and learn how to navigate what they're facing in practical, relatable ways. People can also message my team privately, and I'll answer their questions live. And here's the thing. If you are easily offended, you are easily manipulated. Behind the scenes, my team curates the most common and highest impact questions, so our time stays focused, relevant, and meaningful. I love this question from Juan. How do you repair trust with a friend that you've hurt? Every virtual presentation includes follow-up resources for teachers and for counselors, so the conversation continues in the classroom and beyond. For schools that want ongoing reinforcement, we also offer our flagship Squabbles TV curriculum. These are short plug-and-play lessons designed to be used weekly, and they only take 15 minutes. This allows educators to reinforce the same language, strategies, and skills over time without adding more prep to their plate. There's only 4 reasons why someone wants to be mean to you. Either they want to bother you, they want to joke with you, they want to hurt you, or they want to criticize you. All of this turns a single presentation into consistent, meaningful influence throughout the school year. Joining virtually only takes a couple of clicks. Students watch together in their classrooms on a projector or a smartboard and use their devices to react and provide feedback. This keeps them focused on the big screen without limiting their interaction. Educators join from their own devices using their webcams, so I can interact directly with them and their students. If you'd like to host a virtual presentation, click the link below to contact us. If you're curious how all this technology works, tap below as well, and I'll take you behind the scenes.